Gut Feeler, in this video I'm going to show you what you need to do before you have lunch if you want to improve your digestion. This video is for you if you have problems with digesting food. Maybe you find undigested food in your stool, or you feel sluggish and low in energy after you had your breakfast or your lunch. Even for the gut feelers of us who are dealing with stomach pain, stomach cramping before or after eating. Then this technique is for you. Make sure you try out this technique at least for 7 days to improve your digestion long term. Alright gut feeler, before we're gonna sit down over there and we're having the food together and I show you how this technique works, which literally only takes 60 seconds before each meal, I want to explain to you why this works. The interesting thing is that in most ancient cultures, they do something before they eat. They don't just McDonald's like get the food and stuff it in. Here in Peru, for example, what they do is they thank Mother Earth for the food. They thank the elements, saying you need to pray now and meditate before you're eating. Well, it would be great, but what I do want you to do is to take a breathing pause. It has a structure, so it's easy to do, don't worry, before you start eating. Because just as these ancient cultures teach us, we got to get into the state before we do eating. We're going to get into the digestive state. Usually our active state, especially if you're Western culture, you've got to be there on a specific time. You're going to only have 30 minutes to eat. It's crucial for your digestion to relax your nervous system, to slow down the sympathicus, which is all about fight and flight and action, and activate the part of the nervous system that is therefore producing digestive enzymes, the gut motility for moving food through your colon, reducing stomach acid. That's the parasympathicus. The parasympathicus is only active when you're in a relaxed state. So that's exactly the problem. I have clients who come like, I eat all the best organic food and nutrient dense and everything, but they are stressed. So the body actually is not able to absorb all the goodies that you're putting in there. Enough talking, let's go over there with our plate and do the 60 seconds of the specific technique that helps you to improve your digestion. Let's go. What I want you to do before you eat anything is box breathing. The reason why this technique is called box breathing is because each of the breathing phases has the same length. Yeah, so you can imagine like a square. We breathe in, we hold, we breathe out, and we hold. 4 phases. I like to count till 4 for each phase, so you can make sure every phase has the same length and you have something to do with your hands. If you need more guidance, you can also come back to this video exactly before you start eating. So let's start the timer, 60 seconds. We're taking a breath in for 4. Hold. And breathe out. Hold. And again, breathing in for 4. Hold. Breathe out. And hold. And one more time, breathing in. You can also close your eyes if you like. Hold. Breathe out. And hold. And that's all you've got to do. That's the box breathing exercise. The more often you do this exercise, the more your body will become entrained and know like, oh, we're sitting down. Peggy does the breathing thing, so I'm gonna activate the parasympathicus, I'm slowing down, I'm getting ready for my digestion, producing enzymes. Now gut feeler, if you want more help to improve your digestion, I recommend you to get my free gut healing cheat sheet right now that you can download on my website, which gives you the 6 most important steps that you can do right now. Simple things like the box breathing exercise that I shared with you to improve your digestion long term without antibiotics, without PPIs, and without suffering any longer. So check this out right now. Also, this video I recommend you to watch.